So after breaking my diff in Charlotte, I ordered a drive shaft shop 9-inch kit with carbon drive shaft, IDS suspension all around, pulled the subframe, reinforced it, powder coated it, did FIGS engineering lower control arms, polyurethane bushings everywhere. In the engine, nothing much has changed. I added a powerhouse catch can, ABS delete, line lock, and headed to one of our local drag strips, Darlington, for a Friday night test and tune to see what we can do. Made a total of 3 passes that night. The first 2 looked something similar to this. After I made some adjustments for the track conditions, finally got what I was looking for. Big thanks to all who have helped and supported me, including my wife. I managed an 8.69 at 168 miles an hour with room to improve.